Are your Google Ads campaigns truly optimized for the future? Google Performance Max is no longer a black box. It's your most powerful AI-driven tool, offering unprecedented strategic control for predictable growth. Google Performance Max ads are a goal-based campaign type. They unify all of Google's ad inventory, from search to YouTube, into a single campaign. This helps you find more converting customers across the entire Google ecosystem. PMax represents a fundamental shift in paid media. It moves from manual, channel-by-channel optimizations to a holistic, automated approach. Marketers now focus on creative strategy and guiding machine learning. Initially, PMax lacked transparency, but recent updates have transformed it into a strategic tool. Success now depends on actively guiding the AI with high-quality inputs, not passively trusting it. Your inputs directly determine your results. The most critical elements are thematically structured asset groups, first-party audience signals, and a bidding strategy aligned with your business goals. Asset groups are the building blocks of PMax. Structure your campaign with multiple distinct asset groups for different themes or products. This allows the AI to serve highly relevant ad combinations. Providing video assets is crucial. Campaigns with at least one custom video see an average of 18% more incremental conversions. Avoid auto-generated slideshows. They can harm your brand and performance. Audience signals are not restrictive. They are suggestions that guide the AI. They accelerate learning by providing a starting point for your ideal customer profile. The AI then finds new, similar audiences. First-party data, like customer match lists, is the most valuable signal. Use these along with custom segments and search themes to feed the AI your best customer data. PMax is designed to complement, not replace, existing campaigns. Use a hybrid structure for maximum control. Traditional search campaigns with exact match keywords protect your brand traffic. New features like campaign-level negative keywords and brand exclusions give you more power. This ensures PMax works synergistically with your existing strategies, preventing brand cannibalization. For lead generation, avoid a high volume of low-quality leads. Implement offline conversion imports (OCI) to feed CRM data back to Google Ads. This teaches the AI to optimize for qualified leads or closed deals. Use value rules to assign different monetary values to conversion actions. This instructs the AI to prioritize higher value leads, guiding it towards better quality outcomes for your business. A PMax campaign enters a critical learning period for 2 to 6 weeks after launch. Performance can be volatile during this time as the AI gathers data and calibrates its models. Avoid making significant changes to budget, bidding, or creative assets during this phase. Any major adjustment can reset the learning process and prolong instability, delaying optimal performance. Performance Max is now a sophisticated, strategically versatile campaign type. Its success hinges on your ability to provide clear goals, compelling assets, and rich audience data. Your primary role is training the PMax AI. Ready to transform PMax into a predictable growth engine for your business? Start by auditing your current inputs, integrating first-party data, and strategically structuring your asset groups. Visit the Google Ads Help Center for detailed guides and begin optimizing your PMax campaigns today. To learn more about paid digital ads and Google Performance Max, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com.